Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your crypto seed phrase from a lost device scenario, full guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering your backup materials. You will need a clean piece of paper and a pen or pencil. Ensure you are in a secure and private environment. Take a moment to relax and clear your mind. Locate your crypto wallet application on your lost device. If the device is accessible, try to power it on. Once powered, open your crypto wallet application. Navigate to the wallet settings to find your seed phrase. If your device remains lost, check other devices linked to the same wallet. Log into those devices and access the wallet application. If you can retrieve the seed phrase, write it down immediately. Use uppercase letters for each word for clarity. Double-check to ensure you are writing down the entire phrase accurately. If the seed phrase is not available on other devices, consider recovery options. Access recovery features provided by your wallet. Follow the prompts to regain access to your crypto assets. Once you regain access, create a new wallet if necessary. Write down the new seed phrase on paper securely. Store the written seed phrase in a safe location, away from prying eyes. Consider using a fireproof and waterproof safe for added protection. Make multiple copies of the seed phrase, but store them in different secure locations. Avoid storing your seed phrase digitally or online to prevent hacks. Lastly, regularly review your backup strategy to ensure it remains effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.